Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Now my ashram is done. So you all are welcome here for learn teacher training course, advanced yoga classes, therapy classes, retreat and other more also. Okay. So for more detail you can contact with me. In description have my number, email ID. You can visit my website also. Okay. So continue, relax your leg, come in butterfly position. From today we start the back bending. So today is the beginner classes for back bend, and slowly we improve our posture and we got intermediate and advanced posture. Okay. So today we not use anything, just we do easy back bending. So butterfly. Knee try to touch the floor, use your hip and go forward, lengthen your spine. Inhale, come center, exhale, go forward. Inhale, center. Exhale, go forward, open your arms forward side, lengthen your spine. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. We start from cat pose. Without cat pose, make spine flexibility. So come in cat pose. Only one wrist gap between your knee, and between your leg and hand, one hand gap. One hand from here, drop your palm forward side. Little bit inside you can adjust. Inhale, look up. Roll your spine, expand your chest, look up. Exhale, look your navel, make hunch in spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Lift your left leg up. Leg will also open your back. Quads stretching and shoulder opening in back bending. Exhale, bend your knee, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, look up. This will stretch your abdominal muscle also. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, look up. You have leg strength also if you practice this every day, and you can get slim thighs also. Exhale, close your knee and forehead, maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg up, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your chest between your hand, leg up more. If possible, then bend your right knee. Maintain in final position. If possible, then chest also come on floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, One, exhale, lift your body and drop your left leg between your hand. Check your leg little bit inside. Push your hip down and try to close your buttock with heel. Hip down maximum. Try to make balance here, okay? Check your balance, check your buttock and drop your both palm on floor. Your shoulder go back. If your palm not come on floor, use block under palm and then try to go back. Exhale, go forward, leg is still there, hip only back and go forward, knee outside and close your toes and forehead. Inhale, same position, press your hip down and try to go back how much you can. Exhale, go forward, close your toes and forehead. Inhale, go back, so push your hip down. Last time, you can drop your palm on your thighs and press your knee forward side and go back. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go forward, palm on floor, then close your toes and forehead. You can drop your elbow on floor also if your shoulder going tired. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, leg back, come in cat pose. Same position we repeat through the right leg. Inhale, lift your right leg up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, look up. This practice will improve your leg strength. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Inhale, leg up, look up. Exhale, close your knee and forehead. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, leg up, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your chest between your hand. Leg try to up more. Bend your left knee. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your body up. Arms straight. Drop your leg between your hand. Leg little bit inside. Then push your hip. Check your leg position, knee going forward more than toes. Inhale, go back. This position you feel by self, you feel in back thighs, quads stretching, okay? So push and use lower back, middle back, upon shoulder, go back. Chest expansion, abdomen stretching. Exhale, go forward, hip back and close your toes and forehead. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, go forward, close your toes and forehead. Inhale, go back. After 2-3 classes, we talk about alignment also in back bending. But in starting, you just practice and improve your position. Exhale, go forward. Last time, inhale, go back. Go back and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go forward. Close your toes and forehead. If your wrist or shoulder going tired, you can drop your elbow also. I already show you one side. Go forward, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, leg back, come in child pose. Inhale, look forward, arms straight, lengthen your spine. Inhale, come in cobra pose. So from downside, elbow out and go forward. First lie down. Okay? Adjust your body in first time. Check your palm beside your chest. Open your shoulders, shoulder up, not only lift your body. Try to open your shoulder, expand your chest. Elbow always bend, leg together, and then try to press your body back. So this position going rolling, okay? So first lift your head, then chest, then slowly up, belly up, navel only on floor, and try to go back. Leg together, heel also together. Exhale, relax, lie down first. Now maintain this position because body have on mat. So from here, first lift your hip up and then slowly go back. Arms lengthening, hip down, hip come on your heel. Lengthen your spine maximum. Now we do proper. Inhale, go forward, chin on floor, lie down and then go back maximum. Navel still on floor. Press your palm on ground and then try to roll your spine more. Exhale, child pose. So lie down, lift your hip and go back. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, child pose. Last time, inhale, cobra pose. Check your body position by self. Navel on floor, but lengthen your spine. Press your palm on ground and then try to roll your spine. Go back. Leg together, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. On abdomen side. Drop your palm on floor beside your buttock and palm facing down. Inhale, lift your front body up. If possible, you can walk your finger back side also. Exhale, relax. Inhale, lift your front body up. Exhale, relax. Last time, inhale, lift your forward body up. Up maximum and go back. So try always walk your finger on mat. You can catch your mat also and then try to go back. Okay? You can catch your pant also and go back maximum. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Relax first. So head. Continue. Next practice. Interlock your finger back side. Lift your arms up maximum. Again lift your front body, but this time lift your both leg up also. All body weight try to on navel. Exhale, relax. Separate your leg in this position. Arms still up. Inhale, up. Exhale, relax. Relax your hand. Adjust your shoulder. Try to arms more up. Inhale, lift your leg, lift your front body. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We not practiced Salabhasana today. We just focus on upper body. Open your both arms forward. You can support your leg with wall. If you support, then you can lift your forward body more up. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your front body up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax. Continue. Next practice. Bend your both knee. Catch your leg. Same, lift your front body. Thighs is still on floor. Inhale. Press your leg back. Lift your front body up. Exhale. Relax. Inhale. Front body up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, front body up and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax in child pose. Arms back side. Sit down. If you give pressure proper in all posture, everyone feel in shoulder, I hope, with back bending. You feel in shoulder plate, middle back, side muscles, little bit abdomen stretching. Okay, so today we finished our practice here. From tomorrow we check more back bend and we practice continue. From here to we try to got our advanced posture. Okay, so see you every day now. I hope every day. If any day I miss my class, I try to go live in YouTube, okay? If not, then we meet in next day, okay? Okay, namaste, bye-bye.